Dear students, let's continue the exercise 11.3 based on the concept of the ellipse. So first question is given to you. We need to find the coordinates of the foci, the vertices, length of major axis, length of minor axis, eccentricity and the length of latus rectum for the given ellipse. And the equation of ellipse is given by x square by 36 plus y square by your 16 is equal to 1. Dear students, first of all we need to find the values of a and b, and for that let me write down the equation of ellipse in your standard form, which is given by x square by 6 square plus y square by 4 square is equal to 1. Let's see, because the bigger value is lying below the x axis, x coordinate, so this is your along x axis, this is the ellipse which is your horizontal ellipse, because bigger value is your below your x. x के नीचे बड़ी वैल्यू है तो x के along होगा, y के नीचे बड़ी वैल्यू है तो y के along होगा बच्चों. So this is your the ellipse which is along x axis or the horizontal ellipse. So the value of a I got is your 6, the value of b is your 4. Now we need to write down the first of all the foci. और foci लिखने के लिए बच्चों आपके पास क्या होता है, we have plus minus c comma 0. The foci is given by plus minus c comma 0, where c is obtained through the formula a square minus b square under the root. So value of a is your 6, so this is your 6 square minus 4 square under the root and given by 36 minus 16 under root, and which is your root 20. So foci will be given by, this is foci is your plus minus root 20, and root 20 can be further written as your 2 root 5. So this is plus minus 2 root 5 comma 0. So the foci are plus minus 2 root 5 comma 0. The vertices are you are given by plus minus a comma 0, and these are your plus minus 6 comma 0. So foci are plus minus 2 root 5 comma 0, vertices are plus minus 6 comma 0. Then we need to find length of major axis. Length of major axis is given by, this is 2a, and value of a is your 6, so this is your 2 into 6 is your 12. What about length of minor axis? This is given by 2b, and 2b is your 2 into b is 4, this is 8. This is length of major axis. Length of minor axis, length of latus rectum. So length of latus rectum is given by 2b square by a, and 2 into b square means b square is your 16 upon a is your 6, so this is your 16 by 3. So length of latus rectum is 16 by 3. Equation of directrix is given by x is equal to plus minus a upon e. So first of all we need to find the value of e. E is known as eccentricity, and this can be obtained by c upon a. E is equal to c upon a. C is your given as your plus minus 2 root 5, or simply 2 root 5 you have to write down, and the value of a is your 6. So this is given by x is equal to plus minus, the value of a is your 6 upon, this is e is your 2 root 5 upon 6 multiply, this is your x is equal to plus minus 36 upon 2 root 5, and simply this is your plus minus 18 upon 2 root 5. So equation of directrix is given by plus minus 18 upon 2 root 5. This can further be, plus minus 18 upon root 5 is your the equation of directrices. This is not asked in your question, but we can do by ourselves also if it is your needed, or if it is to be asked, then you can find the equation of directrices by like this. So this was the question number 1, my dear students. Let me do the question number now, second, third, fourth, fifth, all are the same question. Let me do one more question, which is your the vertical ellipse, which is an example of vertical ellipse, and this is your question number 4. Let me do the question number 4 now. Second, third question you can do by yourself. Let's do the question number 4, which is given by x square by 25 plus y square by 100 is equal to 1. It's very clear from the equation of ellipse that this is your a vertical ellipse. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पर y के नीचे बड़ी वैल्यू, मैंने आपको बोला था कि जो the bigger value which is lying below the coordinate will be your along that axis. y के नीचे है तो y के along बड़ी वैल्यू है, और x के नीचे बड़ी है तो x के along हमारा ellipse होगा. So first of all let us write down in standard form, which is given by like this. Now let's see, after comparing this ellipse with the standard equation of the ellipse given by x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1, the value of a will be your 10 and the value of b will be your 5. And if you want to draw the graph of this ellipse, this can be obtained like this. This is your vertical ellipse, and you can see this is the point which is your 0 comma a, which is 0 comma 10, and this is your 0 comma minus 10, this is your 5 comma 0, and this is minus 5 comma 0. Center is 0 comma 0. So value of a is 10, b is 5. First of all we need to write down the coordinates of the vertices, and these are given by plus 0 comma plus minus a, and this is 0 comma plus minus 10, because this is your along y-axis. Foci will be your given by 0 comma plus minus c, and first of all we need to find the value of c, and c can be obtained by a square minus b square under the root, and which is nothing but your root 75, and this can be written as your 5 root 3, because 75 का अगर आप फैक्टर करेंगे बच्चों तो 25 into 3 बनेगा, और 25 का रूट 5 होता है, so 5 root 3 will be there. So the foci will be your 0 comma plus minus 5 root 3. Next is your length of major axis, which is given by 2a, and this is your 2 into 10, which is your 20. Length of minor axis can also be obtained through the formula 2b. So this is your 2 into b, which is 5, is equal to 10. Length of lattice rectum can be obtained by the formula 2b square by a. So this is 2 into b square is your b square means 5 square, which is 25 upon a is your 10. So this is simply 5. Now if you want to find the eccentricity of this ellipse, so eccentricity is given by formula E is equal to c by a, and which can be obtained, c is your 5 root 3 upon a is your 10. So this is your root 3 by 2. So eccentricity is your root 3 by 2. Now if you want to find the equation of directrices as well, so equation of directrices is given by y is equal to plus minus, this is your a by e, and this is plus minus a की वैल्यू कितनी है बच्चों, a is 10 और e कितना है, this is root 3 by 2. So the value of y will be your 10 into 2 by root 3, which is your 20 by root 3 plus minus. So this is the equation of the directrices. So in this way we can do other questions as well. This is the example of the question which is your vertical ellipse, and few minutes back I have told you about the example for your horizontal ellipse. So let me do now the question number 8 also, because question number 5 and 6 you can do by yourself. Question number 7, which is not given in the perfect standard form, it is to be reduced in a standard form as x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, and this is very much easy to reduce the given equation in a standard form by dividing the right hand side value or the constant value. So let me do the question number 8 for all of you. This is given by 16x square plus y square is equal to 16. This is the question number 8, in which the equation of parabola is given in this form, which is not in the form of x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So first of all we have to reduce this given equation in that standard form. उसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं बच्चों, राइट हैंड साइड में जो भी आपका कांस्टेंट टर्म है पहले इस पूरी इक्वेशन को इस कांस्टेंट टर्म से डिवाइड करते हैं, एंड दैट कैन बी गिवन बाय 16x स्क्वायर अपॉन 16 प्लस y स्क्वायर बाय 16 इज इक्वल टू 16 बाय 16 एंड विल बी गिवन बाय x स्क्वायर बाय 1 प्लस y स्क्वायर बाय 16 is equal to 1. Further it can be written as x square by 1 square plus y square by 4 square is equal to 1. It's very clear that this is the ellipse which is your along y axis. This is an example of vertical ellipse. Vertical ellipse क्यों है, क्योंकि y के नीचे बड़ी वैल्यू है. So the value of a is your 4 here, the value of b is 1, the value of c will be your a square minus b square, which is 4 square minus 1 square under the root, and c can be obtained by 16 minus 1 under root, which is your root 15. Now you can write down each and everything about this ellipse, like vertices are given by 0 comma plus minus a, and this is your 0 comma plus minus 4. The foci are given by 0 comma plus minus c, and these are 0 comma plus minus root 15. Major axis can be obtained. Length of major axis is given by 2a, and which is given by 8. Minor axis, the length of minor axis is given by 2b, which is your 2 only. Length of latus rectum can be obtained by formula 2b square by a, and this is 2b square means 2 into b is here 1, so 1 upon a is 4, so this is 1 by 2. And also we can obtain the eccentricity, which is given by E is equal to c by a, c is your root 15, a is your 4, so this is eccentricity. We can also find the equation of directrices also. Equation of directrices is given by y is equal to plus minus a upon e. So this is given by y is equal to plus minus the value of a is 4, e is your root 15 upon 4, and can be written as y is equal to plus minus 16 upon root 15. So this is the equation of the directrices. So dear students, till 9 question you can do by yourself, because all questions are in the same way. So let's do the question number 10. This was the question number 8. 9 question is your homework, you can do by yourself. Now let me do the question number 10. Now 10 question onwards we are to just form the equation of ellipse. देखिए बच्चों, अभी तक हम लोगों ने जो 9 क्वेश्चन किए हैं, इनके अंदर हमें क्या था कि इक्वेशन ऑफ एलिप्स गिवन है, उनको पहले आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि विच टाइप ऑफ एलिप्स इक्वेशन इज गिवन टू यू, एंड देन वी विल नीड टू फाइंड द फोकाई, वर्टिसेस, length of lattice rectum, length of minor axis, length of major axis, equation of directrices, and eccentricity as well. But now we are given with certain conditions. हमें कुछ conditions मिलेंगी, उन condition को use करते हुए we have to just write down the equation of ellipse. So let me do the question number 10 for this one. Question number 10 is your, in which condition is given that we want to find the equation of an ellipse in which vertices are, we are given with the vertices, these are your plus minus 5, 0 and foci are plus minus 4, 0. देखिए बच्चों, एक बात तो क्लियर है इन वर्टिसेस और फोकस को देखने से तो क्लियर होता है कि जो इक्वेशन ऑफ एलिप्स हम बनाने वाले हैं, फॉर्म करने वाले हैं, दैट इक्वेशन ऑफ एलिप्स विल बी और हॉरिजॉन्टल एलिप्स, बिकॉज इन केस ऑफ हॉरिजॉन्टल एलिप्स vertices and foci are always in the form of plus minus a comma 0 or plus minus c comma 0. It means y coordinate is 0, it means this is your along x axis. So horizontal ellipse hai, it's very clear. Now we know very well in case of horizontal ellipse the vertices are always given by plus minus a comma 0 and the foci are always given by plus minus c comma 0. So by given condition and the standardization of the given vertices and foci, we obtained that the value of A is your 5 and the value of C is your 4. So A और C की दोनों की वैल्यू मेरे पास आ चुकी है बच्चों. अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं, we can find the value of B because A, B, C are related with each other in the form of C is equal to A square minus B square under the root, or this can be written C square is equal to A square minus B square. And the b square will be given by, this is a square minus c square, and this is your, the value of a is your 5, so a square will be 25 minus c square means this is your 4 square which is 16 and this is 9, so the value of b is given by 3 here, because b square की value 9 है तो b की value 3 हो जाएगी. So we have the value of a, b, c, all three values are there, and this is the ellipse which is your along x-axis. From these vertices and foci we are very much confirmed that this is your horizontal ellipse, and equation of horizontal ellipse is given by x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now we have the value of a as well as b, so this is your x square by a square means a square is your 5 square plus y square by b square is your 3 square, and this is equal to 1, implies x square by 25 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. So this is the equation of ellipse which we want to form, and this was the question number 10. So my dear students, we will do some more questions based on this topic ellipse in your next video. So till then I hope you will do the question number 1 to 10 today. Thank you and have a nice day.